Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings, then tap the home screen and wallpaper section, tap to wallpaper. You could use photos from your device gallery taken on your device camera or previously downloaded from the internet, or also to use photos from the default photos on your device, and to use photos in more wallpaper section. This is the online wallpapers, but to use them be sure that you are connected to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. Let's select one from the available wallpapers, tap to apply, select lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds, so let's just check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. First, pinch to customize your home screen, tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way select one from the available themes, wallpapers, tap to apply, lock screen. Let's lock the device, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.